morning.
Hey, I see a trash truck.
Oh, you do?
Yes, there was 2 trash trucks.
Oh, yeah.
Let's go close to
Well, there's a trash truck and a recycling truck. And this one's the recycling truck. The trash truck already came. Cool, right?
Go closer to the recycling.
I'm just glad we remembered to do it this week. Forgot.
Dad, let's go closer to the...
No. We're going to ride our bikes. I'm just glad that we remembered to get it out there this week. Forgot last week. So, teaming over with trash, teaming over with recyclables. So, thank goodness, because, wow. In fact, the trash can was so bad with diapers, I got it out of the garage and had it on the side of the house for most of the week. The trash guy is not as nice, but the recycling guy is really super nice. It's about 9:30. Before it gets hot, Dominic and I are going on a bike ride, and then we're gonna get back, and I'm gonna try to get this. I think we're gonna run to Home Depot because I'm gonna get some reflective material for Dominic's car. By the way, want to point this out. Can't wait when Hudson gets home from school. I have modified the seat in Dominic's car so that Hudson can ride with him in there. So we're gonna see how that goes. Had her sitting in it last night. She fits in there really well. Gonna get a little cushion thing for her head, which I'll probably maybe look for while we're at Home Depot. And then I gotta get some black paint and stencils for that, and some more of this stuff. Well, actually, I prefer this one. It smells like oranges and worked better. This stuff, very chemical smelling. But gonna get the rest of this like paint off and get all the metal shined up. Then I gotta tape it, black paint that part, and put the stencil across there. It says props, so we gotta get stencils, reflective material, chemical paint remover. I have modified his car. There's a GoPro because I want to get some inside footage, and got his old Power Wheels flag mounted. I drilled a hole in his roll bar headrest, whatever you call it, and so it's in there. So now he's got a flag to designate where he is, and I put some reflective. It's kind of right in there. There's some in the middle. It's got it on the mirrors. I added the red on the mirrors. That's reflective. There's a strip on the edge of the fender here that's reflective. And I've placed it in his tail lights and the little square and strip here and a couple strips there that are reflective. And then of course put his 12 on the side, which is also reflective. So he should be covered when toward the end of the summer it gets dark early, but he's still outside driving around. And technically he'll never be in the street, but I want people to be able to see him when he's in, maybe crossing a driveway or something. I am now gonna go grab Hudson, and we're gonna see how this goes. She was very excited about riding with Dominic last night.
Daddy, are you back?
Yep.
Okay, Hudson needs a butt there. What does Hudson need this butt there?
Because she has a soft tushy, buddy.
All the towel in here. Hudson likes my parents thing.
She does. Look at her smile. Okay, Hudson, let me get your sunglasses. Here, we'll take these glasses off. Okay, Hudson, you look very excited to go.
So, Hudson's
Now,
sunglasses.
just a second. Let me get Hudson's headrest in here.
Can I go yet?
Yes. Okay.
Where's the highway?
Out there on the sidewalk.
Where's the sidewalk?
Okay, go. Oh, Hudson, what do you think? Isn't it fun? Okay, drive it in the garage. Bring it in. Woohoo! All right. Was that a good time, Hudson Ann? Did you have fun? All right. Was it awesome? All right. We'll do it again tonight when it's not so hot out. How about that? Okay.